Hey everyone, Caleb from Hitech. I'm on way to South Perth this morning very slowly, and it's raining, so hopefully that clears up. I'm sea trialing a 38 Mustang that we repowered in the yard there with two 300 horsepower 6.2 litre Mercruisers and Bravo Threes. We also fitted a Vessel View 403, and we're running 22.5 props on it, so that should be right on the money for it. So yeah, we'll get there and take it for a run, do our usual checks, and be all good. Unfortunately, we will have to do a prop change, but that's alright, that's why we sea trial. It's just not getting quite the revs that we'd like. Other than that though, the boat went really well. We still managed to get, I think it was 37 or 38 knots out of it, and the owner was really happy with it. So we'll do the change, head back out, do our sea trial again, and check our top speed, rev range, fuel usage, do all that again, and that'll be all set, ready to go. Cheers for watching, and see you next time.